guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with your favorite, like so many comments, like we're rolling, like, oh Jenna, please, Jenna, like Jenna, please come back, we love Jenna. That's a damn lie. No, not even one comment. Also, you didn't share the video that we did. Bitch.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I put it on my story.
You didn't tag me.
I'll do it right now.
The energy that we've created.
I'm very uncomfortable with the energy.
Within the first 5 seconds. Alright, Jenna, so what are we doing today?
Okay, so, like, I don't even know how long ago. Probably, I don't know.
We gotta see. How long ago was this?
I filmed it and posted it like a year after I filmed it.
Okay, so 2015. This was the year after you graduated.
Yeah, so I was like 18. Or no, I was 19.
So know that she already graduated from high school when she made this experiment.
So I basically was like, had never done any special effects makeup ever, and thought that what a good idea to go to Party City, because that's where, you know, someone would buy special effects.
High-end, professional.
Yeah, professional level.
100%.
Quality, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I went there, bought like this whole, everything I thought that I needed, and made this video, and it's very embarrassing. But I keep it on the internet because it's hilarious. So.
It's under unlisted, so you won't be able to find it.
It's only under unlisted because I went on an audition once and the casting director said, "Oh, I've seen your YouTube video." And I said, that's gotta go. That's gotta go.
Hot. Were you aiming for it to be good and then it just like, as it went, you're like,
I think
oh,
that
fuck.
I like I said, I've never done special effects makeup, but I was a makeup artist. Like I had been doing like beauty makeup for a while. And I was like, oh, I could do this, no problem. And like 3 minutes in, I was like, this is a joke.
Okay, so we're gonna react to the video, and then basically the challenge is that we're just gonna follow the video as it goes. Okay, so are you ready?
No. You don't understand. People will text me randomly and be like, Jenna, can you send me the link for your video? I just need to watch it right now. Because this is how terrible it is. Okay,
right, here we go.
Oh, I did.
Hey guys, it's Jenna. I just woke up and
My hair, like,
The eyebrows.
I actually, quite literally, rolled out of bed, sat in this chair, and was like, I'm just gonna film a video right now.
The Party
Like,
City.
I didn't do my, I was like, who cares what I look like on the internet? Like, who cares, right?
latex. I have no idea what this is.
Did not know what liquid latex was.
At the time, no.
She's like, what the hell is this? I'm a makeup artist. I'm a special effects makeup artist. What the hell is liquid
QE
latex?
literally showed me, like 5 years later after this, or however long it was, making a full silicone head of myself. I would have been like, wow, wow.
Amazing.
So I literally have no idea how
Look, my hair is so dark.
but it can either go really
And your eyebrows.
really
Yeah.
But they look like a little red.
Yeah, she used to dye her eyebrows at home.
Oh.
And she used to use like this like red brown.
Okay, so we're trying to follow this thing right
We
here.
bought this at
Party Silly. Party Silly. Party Silly. Please sponsor us.
Potty Silly. Potty Silly. Again, I also didn't have foundation that was light enough and I didn't want to buy it. So I just
Okay.
like took a sample home from work.
Okay, we gotta pause it.
Okay.
We have to put foundation on.
Okay.
Okay, so I got this Wet n Wild foundation. I don't think it's my color. And then we have some Ben Nye.
I'm just gonna add white to like the lightest color.
Wait. No. You put primer on first.
Okay.
Okay, get some Smashbox primer. Alright, we're just gonna... She puts it on with a brush. But we're just gonna do our hands. Cause why not? She's finishing the primer.
Which I put on with a buffing brush.
I think it's blended. Oh, okay.
Yeah, like what was I? It's clear. What was I blending in? Like, what was I doing?
Alright, so she's going with the sample.
The sample of foundation. Okay.
Okay, so let's get the foundation. I'm using Wet n Wild. Oh crap, okay, so before that we need we need a color corrector
You
skin.
realize your posture is like.
Oh, this whole time I'm like,
I'm sitting like this. Okay.
okay, so we're just gonna get a little bit of this, a little bit of this. We're gonna do some color correcting for our red face. Alright. Okay. Alright.
I'm crossing the camera really quickly to grab your channels.
Who is this intruder? Intruder!
Alright.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh. Okay. Wait, I think I just need a little.
Is this a Shrek makeup tutorial?
No,
All
like
right.
dead ass.
Cool.
This is what I do.
Alright, Jenna from the past, what else?
I know how to do makeup.
Right. You're
No,
still
you
saying
don't.
that.
Like, I'm still trying to say that.
Is this what my face was?
I'm screaming.
I'm also gonna chapstick because it's dry.
Chapstick. Okay. Here.
So now we're gonna take the foundation that is spilling everywhere over.
Ooh, this smells.
Amazing. Everyone loves
This is
it.
literally the lightest shade and it's my color.
I'm gonna just use this.
Oh, well, I'm pausing. Because I. Okay.
Okay. My lips are chapped. I mean, my lips are chapsticked. My lips are. What do you say?
Those are moisturized.
But like the act of doing, putting on chapstick.
Sticked.
My lips are sticked.
My lips are. Wait, my.
You know? Cool. All right.
I'm glad we had this talk.
Wait, what are you doing?
Foundation. Look,
Oh,
I'm already
she-
got foundation.
Oh fuck. Okay. Let me see. Oh. I love that you decided to put it on the square side.
Isn't that how you're supposed to use them?
No.
That's how.
Whoa.
Can you please
A
show the
hairy
camera?
cunt?
Tinsley Transfer, please sponsor
Oh my
us.
god,
A
please.
$2 Tinsley transfer from Party
Can
City.
you-
My face has never felt worse than right now.
Wait, why are you guys putting on foundation before the zipper?
We're following the fucking
I'm
tutorial.
scared.
Also, this mirror means nothing about my affiliation to anybody. I'm just using it as a mirror.
Oh, I already had to do like an
Okay,
apology
because-
video, my first video that I ever came out with. Is the green supposed to still show? Yes.
Yes. She puts the hair up.
Put
Try
hair
for the hair up.
I need a mirror.
This is funny. I do fall. I look really good.
What were you grabbing?
A mirror.
The huge ass mirror right next to you wasn't enough. Slow motion. But you know what I love? That you stare at the camera while you're
Because
falling.
listen,
With the-
the camera was made for me.
I'm literally picking up the foundation.
Yeah, at this point I remember I had spilled the foundation all over my workspace, so I was just using the foundation that had spilled down.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay,
I did
concealer.
Okay.
I look like a monster.
Oh, I miss my nose ring.
I know.
You don't miss when I had 3 nose rings?
No.
Patrick did have to take out my septum for me. Like fully with pliers in my nose.
I guess I
Because remember it wouldn't come out?
I can't
Sometimes-
get the zipper out.
Oh my god, I'm pausing. We're already on. She's already on the zipper.
Damn, she's
I
fast.
know she's so good at this. She's like so good.
I try to conceal my eyes, but nothing came out. So we're just gonna. Alright. What were you trying to conceal?
I don't know, but the fact that I thought to put foundation on and then put the zipper on.
And then
my face-
complain that it didn't stick. Alright. This is gonna be iconic. You glued it on with
Liquid latex.
liquid latex.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
We're just gonna use
Oh, it says eyelash glue. Liquid latex.
like eyeliner.
No, I used liquid latex and then I used. I don't remember now.
Okay.
Oh, I used
It's really
eyelash glue.
probably a better glue that you can buy or use, but I'm not using that because I'm not.
She's a rebel.
She said, "I don't care about the rules. I don't
Whatever.
fucking care." Still true. Still true.
You left the music on in the background.
Oh, she realizes.
She was like,
She realized-
copyright what?
I can't move my mouth.
I can't move my forehead.
God, it's gonna fall off. Please look at what he did to his face. Honestly, like, hot.
Oh, fuck. That made me, my body did not like that. So she's on.
She's on.
Kind
Yeah.
of.
Your forehead's kind of off.
Oh wait, it just got tacky and now it's for his face.
No, I use eyelash glue to put it on my face, and then I use liquid latex to blend the edges.
Are we blending edges?
There's no edges to blend, babe.
I think we should though.
With what?
With liquid latex.
Bitch.
Look, she's doing it. Oh, we have to.
She has fabric on hers.
We have to, Mama. You know why? Because it has to do the little stretch thing, so it has to look like skin. Now we have to use this. Yeah, liquid latex on my shirt.
Like, look at what I'm... Yeah, my skin was burning. I do remember that.
For what? You know what I love?
No,
You
I
said
saw
that you have a
drink.
glass of water there, and then you're like, I'm so thirsty. Pause the video. Pause the video. Like you said, I have a
No,
glass
because
of
I
water
think that it was like for makeup stuff, so I wasn't gonna drink it. But I think that I might end up drinking it later in the video.
Makeup.
Okay, I'm playing.
I feel like I want to put red lipstick.
Yes.
Just-
Like, I'm afraid.
Okay.
I have some lipstick. Also, should I get some on the zipper like you did?
Yeah. One day I'm gonna like meet a nice person who wants to date me, and then they're gonna stumble upon this video and be like, I need to break up with her.
You think that you'll make it to the part where they have to break up with you? Damn.
My dad, when I was little, used to literally tell me all the time that my first date he wasn't gonna have to worry because they were just gonna by the time they got to the end of the street, they were just gonna drive me back home.
You know what's funny is that you probably lived in a cul-de-sac.
I did. Okay, the fake flash was like a really weird flex for.
We're not using that.
We're not
We
even
did
gonna,
not
we're
want
not
to
even gonna
bother
go
paying
there.
that.
We're not even gonna go there. Don't ever fucking use that shit.
Who? Like, I want to see someone that
I
actually
don't-
uses it and it's like, you know what? I killed this shit.
Look at. Oh my god.
You said it looked like a dead baby rat.
It does. That's like what a pinky looks like. Like when if you have a snake small enough to feed pinkies to, that's like
Pinkies?
it's dead baby mice.
Oh. I'm like,
They're called
whose
pinkies.
pinkies is...
What is it?
Oh.
Oh, we moved on to the veins already.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
We're trying to imitate this video, right? Okay.
Whoa, you are fast. All right.
I'll pause it.
Why does it look normal now?
Okay, done.
Stop.
Like, that looks normal.
This does not look normal.
Wait, I didn't.
Do you like this? Do you like this vein that doesn't connect?
Look at my. I literally just. I said.
Well, you're fast.
I work fast. I work quick.
Oh,
I'm like Sonic the Hedgehog.
all right.
This is scary.
All right.
This is my best work.
I mean,
I told you I was mean, bro. I told you I was really fucking good. Okay.
All right, let's move on.
Still, literally sent you in a voice memo of that
What?
noise today. Okay.
Oh, she's a doctor.
Facts.
With a brush.
With a blending brush. Okay.
Let's just use a sponge.
This is disgusting. This is leaves that I like.
I gotta make sure that I get it around the thing just like you
You
did.
can't leave me alone with things. Because I'll do this.
Oh. Why are you not doing your lips? There we go. Look at her. Mhm. How did they fade away? What did you do?
I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't know where they went.
oh.
Oh. You got it on the mirror.
Oh, okay.
That's very wet. How much do do I have to blend?
Mama, look at my eyes. Look amazing. Incredible.
Alright, what else did you do?
Okay.
Is there really more?
Look terrifying.
I think the wig.
Underneath the eyes.
Underneath that. Oh, we beat her with that part.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for the makeup.
I simply don't. That's it. Fuck that.
Alright. Okay.
I bought this wig because I thought this was gonna
Keep
be
playing.
successful. I am mortified right now.
1, 2, 3. So what do you think?
This makes me sad.
I think I'm gonna make this like my portfolio on my website.
She said I'm not done, bitch.
Oh, she's not done?
If you're still watching this video, really props to you because this is absolutely terrifying.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Jenna, for joining me on this. Thank you for letting me please like, comment, and subscribe. Did you want to promote anything?
Again, I don't actually exist in this dimension.
I got hair in the blood.
I'm not real.
Alright. Thank you, guys. Bye.
I am embarrassed. Subscribe to my channel. I promise to never do anything like this ever again. I'm so sorry you wasted your time watching this video, but thank you anyway. This is... I am horrifying.